The 2008 Toyota Tundra. This is a crew cab pickup truck with an automatic transmission. This four-wheel drive pickup truck is well equipped. This Toyota features towing package and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags, traction control, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include a CD player, keyless entry, and power windows. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.